तो इन चैप्टर 1 डेवलपमेंट ऑफ economics, what I taught, recall, I taught about the income and other goals, national development, how to compare different countries or states, okay, and I taught what development promises, different people, different goals. One more point that I taught, that is sustainability of the development or sustainable development. Okay, so this important point I taught in chapter 1 under the topic development. Okay, I talked about the national income as also, per capita income also, okay, and measurement of the development. Now some important question from this chapter. If you know the answer, it's your time to write answer in my chat box, okay, or must keep pen or paper to write the question and answer. Okay, so first MCQ best question, and first question is there. What is national income? What is national income? What is national income? And option A is the sum total of economic activities. It is an income that is generated in a territory sector. It is the income of the primary sector. And the last is the sum total of all the final goods and services produced within a country. Okay, once again मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है. आप देखोगे पहला मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है व्हाट इज नेशनल इनकम, द सम टोटल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन बी, इट इज एन इकोनॉमिक और इट इज एन इनकम दैट इज ग्रांटेड इन टेरिटरी सेक्टर, and it is the income of the primary sector and sum total of all the final goods and services produced within a country. A, B, C, D. It's your time to write your answer. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay. Option D is the common. Okay, option D is the right answer. Now next question, that is we ready to write the answer? What is the full form of HDI? What is the full form of HDI? शायद मेरी आवाज़ नहीं जा रही है. आवाज़ मेरी जा रही है? एनीवन? So Next question is that what is the full form of HDI? Option A is human derived industry, human development index, okay, highly developed industries, and right answer is human development index. Human development, yes, option B is the right answer. ठीक है, okay. So again one more question. What is the full form of HDR? HDR, full form of HDR. Anyone, if you know the answer, write down, write and send to me in my chat box. Okay, if you don't know answer, then write down. Human Development Report. Human Development Report. Okay. Human Development Report. Okay. So next question. Okay. So another question once again. Which state in India has the highest literacy rate? Which state in India has the highest literacy rate? Bihar, Odisha, Punjab, Kerala. Okay. Once again, which state in India has the highest literacy rate? Bihar, Odisha, Punjab and Kerala. Yes, most of you have written Kerala. Okay, thank you. So that this point must be in your mind, है ना, लिटरेसी रेट कहाँ ज़्यादा है. Now another point, another question. So Kerala is the right answer here. Next question. Be ready to write the answer of the next question. One short question, not very short question. What do you mean by sustainable development? What do you mean by sustainable development? Waiting for your answer. Write and send to me in my chat box. Write out what is sustainable development. Now you have to write it and send to me the answer of sustainable development. Anyone? Yes, very fast answer by Deep Sikha. Development without damaging the environment and utilize. Let me see the answer. Utilize for the future generation. Yes, very good. Deep Sikha, really you are active. Deep Sikha wrote the answer. Once again, what she wrote. development without damaging the environment and utilizing for future generation. It's the answer of Deep Sikha. Anyone more? Yes, sustainable development must be in our mind. Okay. It advocates for the using resources in manner that they should meet the needs of present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation. हम अभी भी अपनी आवश्यकता को पूरा करें और ये भी ध्यान रखें कि आने वाले जनरेशन को कोई परेशानी ना हो. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने आज यूज कर लिया और फ्यूचर में ये ख़त्म हो जाए. ओके. इट सपोर्ट्स इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली डेवलपमेंट and the use of the resources based on the needs and not on greed. So sustainable development must be in your mind. Some important point must be there in your mind. Okay, like human development of a nation is measured by Human Development Report released by United Nations Development Programs, that is called UNDP. It should be there in your mind also. UNDP, it means United Nations Development Programs. Next point is there. Next point is there. Human Development Report, that is called HDR. Human Development Report measures development using 3 components. Okay, gross national income per capita, measured as purchasing power, one word is there, PPP, triple P. ओके. तो परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटीज, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी ऑफ वर्थ एंड मीन ईयर ऑफ द स्कूलिंग. दिस important point must be there in your mind. Next point is there कि the 3 components of HDR are used to calculate Human Development Index. Once again, the 3 components of HDR are used to calculate Human Development Index, that is called HDI, and based on which the country are compared for the level of the development. देश का डेवलपमेंट कैसे कंपेयर किया जाता है वो हमने बताया कि 3 components of the HDR used to calculate Human Development Index, that is HDI, Human Development Index, and based on which the country are compared for the level of the development. So this important point, and full forms is there, yes, sometime question comes to us कि write the full form of NDP, write the full form of SDR, okay, SDI. So these may be question, okay, so keep it in your mind. Okay. And if you have any problem, it's your time to ask question. Some more important point. Okay, how to compare different country or a state. How to compare different country or a state. ये टॉपिक मैंने क्लास में पढ़ाया है, ऑफलाइन क्लास में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, कई बार एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके. तो किसी भी देश का डेवलपमेंट, किसी भी राज्य का डेवलपमेंट हम कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं? ओके, इट मे बी अ क्वेश्चन। तो कीप दिस थिंग्स इन योर माइंड।